Thursday triumph, bullish surge as Fed holds rates, eyes on 23,000 mark. The numbers are in and the verdict is out. The numbers, Federal Reserve held interest rates steady at a 23-year high of 5.25% to 5.5% for the sixth consecutive time, cites ongoing inflationary pressures and a tight labor market which indicate a stall in progress toward bringing inflation back down to its 2% target this year. The verdict, Wall Street's key indices simply zoomed higher from their Tuesday's drubbing as bullish investors see a strong chance that the Fed will wait until September to lower the interest rate. The US dollar came under modest bearish pressure with the immediate reaction, down 0.5% on the day at 105.80. WTI oil too tumbled towards $79.25 a barrel. Long story short, all bullish eyes on Nifty capturing psychological 23,000 mark with an interweek perspective. With an intermonth perspective, new bullish uncharted territory should be the new normal. Global cues are positive. In Tuesday's trade, FIIs and DIIs were net buyers to the tune of Rs 1072 crores and 1429 crores. Sentiments for the day is likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating massive breakout play amidst higher high-low formation. F&O data suggests the likely trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 23,000 zone. India VIX has inched up towards 12.87 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th May, is at 1.39. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th May, is at 1.09. Nifty outlook, bullish day out. Nifty shall sprint higher towards uncharted territory. Nifty, CMP to 2605. Intraday support on Nifty is placed at 22,405 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 22,783 mark. Range for the day is between 22,500 to 2800. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 49396. Interweek support is placed at 48,677 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 50,000 mark. Range for the day is between 49,000 and 50100. Bias for the day is positive. The four big positive catalysts this Thursday morning. 1. Both FIIs and DIIs turned out to be net buyers at Dalal Street in Tuesday's trade. 2. WTI oil tumbles below $81 a barrel amidst poor macroeconomic outlook in China. 3. Pre-election rally, investors hoping or expecting continuation of the current regime in the general elections. 4. Fed Chief Jerome Powell said he doesn't understand sporadic Wall Street talk about stagflation, a rare occurrence in which economic growth is weak and inflation is high. Corporate India's Q4 results to trickle in today, 2nd May. Coal India, Adani Enterprises, Adani Port, Ajanta Pharma, SEET, Coforge, Dabur, Federal Bank, RailTel.